Good day everyone, I'm Stanley John Pestonilo. I will be your assessor for today. And before we start the assessment, I would like you to let your attendance first. So these are the attendance sheet. And we fill out the attendance sheet first. And let me get your admission slip. Thank you so much. So, the qualification for the assessment is called the Web Development SME, and I'm sure you are aware of that. And for the qualification summary, this is the qualification summary. These are the list of competencies, the basic competencies, the common competencies, and the core competencies. We will focus on the developed responsive web design core competency. And these are the 9 CPT areas of these facilities. For now, you are in the competency area, and I will proceed to the assessment area if it's time for your assessment. But before the assessment, I would like you to fill up this first, the self-assessment guide. And to be followed by the agreement of assessment. For me to know na you are ready for the assessment and you are agreed to take the assessment. Thank you so much. So now we will now proceed to the assessment area. Let me first call the first candidate is from. For your demonstration, I would like you to create a responsive website that shows the different languages or that is very interactive. And you have 1 hour to do that, and just call me if you're done. So this answer is class packages first before I proceed to the other question. Thank you so much. And for your questioning, the question is what are the struggles you encounter while doing the responsive website?
The struggle that I encountered is very simple in the Microsoft Access for the secretaries.
Thank you so much. So I will now give your result. So based on your performance on the demonstration and your oral questioning, it seems that you are excellent in doing the competencies and you are now it apparently you are competent for this competency, and congratulations for that. You may now proceed to the competency area. And next is I will go on the second candidate, Mr. Ashok. So for the demonstration, I would like you, as I said with the first candidate, create a responsive web design, and you have only 1 hour to do that, and just call me if you're done. Sir Strello. Thank you. And this is the first topic that you will answer. Just fill up the required questions. And just call me if you
one of the few challenges po is yung buttons ko po is ayaw ko yung sumana. Yung ano po yung sa design, parang I think I can improve pa po, pero naalas ko tayo ngayon po. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much. So I will now give my feedback to you. So first, congratulations on doing your demonstration assessment. But however, based on your performance and your result, it seems that you are lacking in some competencies, particularly in the designing the website. So I can say that you are not yet competent for this competency, and I will now you may the assessment the assessment you can take the assessment for a month after a month. So I will encourage you to take that the assessment for you to be competent. So, thank you so much. We come to the conclusion. And for before we conclude this assessment, I would like to congratulate again Ms. Broma for being competent, and I would like to give you your certificate. Congratulations. So that is all for today. Thank you very much everyone. And you will now go